became friends with Crofty because I said she looks like Mariah Carey. Flattery gets results. Sparkles really knows how to give a compliment.
These. Bubble blower. Knitting. What kind of walk should I give to lightning? Walk to the rhythm. This looks way too cheery for her. Looks like a model. I'd say this is probably the best one. She's actually a model as well. For I can't remember what it was now. Was it Gucci or something like that? She does like a modeling thing. Just do model. Looks like a model. Who does she want it? Lara Croft? Do you want it? Should give it to Lara Croft. Oh, it goes to her anyway. She now has a little quirk.
I feel like I've gotten a bit closer to the real me.
Yay!